self-published book about tales of books. Now I got that's for them.
Practiced then, and this person seemed to be.
Wait, I remember this place.
13-acre farm.
I remember this place ever since I was a little kid. Till 8. We left this house because we were getting, the more colder it get, but now it's getting a little hotter here. But somebody sold it. But somebody left the house and nobody went ever since 1 year. But since we're here, we're the first one to get this house after 1 year of not being sold. Wish I can go back to these days. They were the best. And then now us, it's almost 13 that we spend memories in this old house. Ever since I was born, our old house was just an apartment because our family was struggling for money and they can't afford a house. But on the bright side, it's a nice day out. I think I can see my I think let's go back where I was. I'm coming too. Not that fast. Wow, why you Oh well, I'm not going, but I will be teleported. So because I got something in my brain ever since we got here that he can teleport me to anywhere. So wait here. Okay. Why battery low though? I'm not supposed to be here.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Here we are. Wait. Okay. Let me wait. Okay. See? I just teleported here. I wasn't faking out all. Oh, okay. Okay. So, okay. Wait. Where are we supposed to go? Oh no! Wait. Oh no! Boom, 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 boom. What are you doing here? Hi, friend. What are you doing here? Same old story. What are we doing here? I don't know. Maybe we flooded something? Oh, I forgot. I was washing my hands, but I forgot to stop the water. Continued in part 2.